Okay, so first I'm just going to start doing my eye makeup and उसमें मैं apply कर रही हूँ अपना LA Pro concealer on my eyelid area. Then I'm just going to blend it. I'm going to just fill in my eyebrows with the help of this. I'm just going to apply this concealer. So for my eye makeup, I'm just going to pick this shade and apply it on my eyelid area. इसको मैं इस तरीके से आपको करना होता है and then बेसिकली आपको कलर को यहाँ प्लेस करते हुए सर्कुलर मोशन में इस तरीके से ब्लेंड करना होता है. Okay, so in this picture her makeup is very neutral. So I also try to keep it very neutral and very basic so that कि अगर आप इसको every day में भी कैरी करना चाहते हो तो आप इसको every day में भी कैरी कर सकते हो. And then I'm going to pick this shade. इस shade को मैं pick करूँगी और अपनी eyes के eyelid पे apply करूँगी. With the help of this palette, I'm just going to pick this shade and apply it on my eyelid area. Just going to blend all the colors very well. So I have applied these false lashes. So after that, I'm just going to apply mascara on my lower lash line. On my face, I'm just going to apply my Lakme cream. And after that, I'm just going to apply this Incolor primer. Basically, मैं अपने face के around, mouth के around लगाऊंगी and forehead पे. I'm just going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Palette, I'm just going to apply this highlighter concealer. Like basically it is a highlighter. I'm just going to apply this blusher. This is a very beautiful color. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this very beautiful coral color. With the help of this compact, I'm just going to set my under eyes. Okay, so at last I'm just going to highlight my cheekbone. अगर आपको ये लुक पसंद आया है तो आपको करना है मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और इस वीडियो को लाइक। इस चैनल पे और भी कई सारी वीडियोस हैं तो उन्हें देखना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय।